Hi student, good morning. Now today we are going to write in English IMAX book. Okay, so open the book, page number 1818. Okay, letter G. This is capital G and this is small g. Capital G, small g. Say G as in a girl. Girl is in a gown. G, g, g. Girl in a gown. G, g, g. The sound of letter G is G. G, g, girl. G, g, goat. G, g, gift. Okay, this is capital G. This is small g. G, g, grass. G, g, glass. G, g, gate. Okay, now we will trace capital G first. Make a left side curve. Make join standing line and slipping line. So this is capital G. Capital G. Now without tracing we have to write down here capital G. Make a curve. Make standing line. Slipping line. This is capital G. You have to make in 3-line curve and in 2 line you have to draw standing line and in blue line you have to make a slipping line. This is capital G. Okay, now small g. Make left side curve, standing line, again make little bit curve. This is small g. Small g. Okay, now without tracing we have to write down here. Make left side curve, join standing line, come down and little bit make curve. This is small g. Small g. Small g. Okay student, now these are two picture. This is the picture of goat. G, g, goat. Now here write down capital G. G, O, A, T, goat. And here the picture of gift. So we have to write down here small g. Okay, so G-I-F-T, gift. Now we are going to write in practicing letter book. Okay, now we are going to write in practicing letter book. Okay, now open the book, page number 1818. Okay, now this is capital G. G, G, girl. Okay, this is the picture of girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Now we are going to trace letter G in 3 lines. Trace left side curve. Draw in between 2 blue lines, standing line and slipping line. So this is capital G. Capital G. The sound of G is G. The sound of G is G. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. G, G, gate. G, G, gun. G, G, garbage. G, G, gold. Okay, so this is the letter of G. G, G, glass. G, G, grass. So this is capital letter G. Letter G. Okay, student. Now, without tracing, we have to write down. Write down. Start from top to come down and draw standing line and sleeping line. So this is capital G. Capital G. First you have to draw left side curve, then little bit standing line and sleeping line. So this is capital G. Left side curve, in between two line you have to draw standing line, and first number blue line you have to draw sleeping line. Okay, so this is capital G. Left curve, standing line, sleeping lines. This is capital G. Left curve, standing line, sleeping line. This is capital G. Capital G. G goat. G gun. G game. Okay, we have to draw curve like this. To draw curve and draw standing line and sleeping line. So this is capital G. You have to write down in 3 line. आपको 3 लाइन के अंदर ही लिखना है. पिंक लाइन से आपको स्टार्ट करना है और ब्लू लाइन पर आपको लेफ्ट साइड कर्व ड्रॉ करना है. फिर ब्लू लाइन के बीच में आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करना है और फर्स्ट लाइन की ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर आपको स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. सो दिस इज कैपिटल जी. कैपिटल जी. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू ड्रॉ कैपिटल जी. ओके स्टूडेंट, इस तरह से आपको राइट डाउन करना है कैपिटल जी को. How you will write down? You have to start from top. On pink line you have to start from and come down, down, down. Make a left side curve. Okay. In between two blue line you have to make standing line, and on the first blue line you have to draw sleeping line. So this is capital G. Capital G. Like this you have to draw capital G. Okay, again one time I am saying that you have to start from pink line, come down, come down, come down, make a left side curve. Okay, in between blue two line you have to make standing line, and on first blue line you have to make sleeping line. So this is capital G. You have to draw first left side curve, standing line and sleeping line. So this is capital G. What is the sound of G, student? G gun. G gun. G gun. G gun. G gun. Goat. Gate. Okay. Now we have to write down small letter G. Small letter G. Okay, so page number 44, and on capital G on page number 18. Now we are going to write small g, page number 44. This is grapes. Okay, GRAPES, grapes. This is small g. Okay, now we have to write down trace small g like this. Okay, small g, small g. How you will write? In between blue two line you have to draw left side curve and standing line and turn, stop. You have, this is small g, small g, small g, small g. Like this you have to trace small g. In between two lines, make a left side curve. Standing line, little bit you have to turn. So this is slipping line. Slipping line. Left side curve, in between blue line, standing line, and little bit you have to turn. So this is small g. Okay. Left side curve, in between two lines, standing line, and little bit you have to turn. So this is small g. Like this you have to trace small g. The sound of g is g. First you have to draw small c like this. Okay. Then turn and standing line and little bit you have to turn. So this is small g. The sound of g is g. The sound of g is g. Like this you have to write down small g. Okay student, like this. G G goat, G G gun, G G girl, G G grapes, G G what come G G glass, G G grass, G G gold, G G go, G G gum. In between blue two line you have to make small left curve and standing line and turn little bit. So this is small g. Small g. Write down very properly. Small g. Like this you have to write down. Okay student? Like this. Write down small g. Small g. Small g. Okay. In between blue two line, make small g. Write down like this. Okay. Left curve, standing line, and little bit you have to turn. Come. So this is small g. Small g. Like this you have to write down. Very easy to write down small g. Okay student, so you have to write down 2 pages in practicing book. This is capital G and this is small g. Okay, write down very properly, click the photo and send on the group. Bye bye.